Hey people, so I think the biggest thing that movies or cinema can do for us is give us a peek into another kind of world. So when you watch a series like Bard of Blood, you realize that it is basically it is about like Baluchistan. Most of us won't even know, like, from a very geography point of view, like that's what it's this whole Emraan Hashmi's character is he's returned from having been he's stationed there, and then when he comes, the the series opens with him getting nightmares of his time spent in Pakistan. So the very considering it, this particular the Bard of Blood has been Red Chili's Entertainment is kind of the producers of the show. Eh, like, if you notice, Shah Rukh Khan is very lavish with everything he does. So also with Bard of Blood. So it's worth checking out, people. I mean, it's pretty much in the same league as She, the Netflix series. So Netflix Zindabad. So try it out, people. Emraan Hashmi, such roles suit him, where he's like, like certain actors have a comic element and all, but Imran Hashmi is good at these panic stricken roles, like, I mean, that is when he is not busy, like, there's most of the, he's called the smooching hero of Hindi cinema, but otherwise Bard of Blood is a very it gives you it gives you a peek into life across the border, like how it is for certain people. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.